Hello, our art friends. Today in Kiddy Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw a cute caterpillar. So let's start drawing. We'll start with the eyes. Draw a small curved line. On top of it, draw an upside down letter U. Draw half an upside down U shape inside. Then color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Repeat the same steps to make the other eye. Draw a small eyebrow over each eye. Draw a smiley mouth with the tongue inside. Draw the outline of the face around the face features, looking like a bean.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Draw 2 ears on top of the head. Then we are going to draw an incomplete circle behind the face. It's partially hidden behind the ear on the left side. Leave a space before connecting the circle to the face. In this space, we are going to draw the leg. It also looks like a bean. Then connect the circle to the face with a tiny line. Repeat the same steps to make another circle and the leg behind the first one. Keep repeating the same step, sometimes going up, sometimes going down, until you complete your caterpillar. You can leave a couple of circles at the end without legs. Decorate the body with more bean shapes and a circle on each side. Feel free to decorate your caterpillar the way you want. Perfect! Now you can draw a cute caterpillar! Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.